Hi guys, this is section 2.4, solving multi-step inequalities. And to solve these multi-step, you just need to remember DCM SADMAP. So let's look at these and let's get going. All right, so I've got DCM SADMAP. Well, on this first one, I have no distributing, no combining like terms, no moving the variables. So I'm going to subtract 7. Now I get y over negative 6, 0, and 2. Multiply by negative 6. But remember, if we multiply by a negative, we've got to flip that inequality. So we've got negative 12. That's open, going that way. Same thing here. Do your opposites. We're going to add first, because A, that gives me 2v, 12. Then divide. V is greater than 6. So if I draw this, I have closed at 6, going that way. So if you just remember DCM SADMAP, you should be able to solve every single one of these. We're going to skip over those. All right, here we go. DCM SADMAP. So again, no distributing, no combining like terms, but we do have some variables to move. So I'm going to move the 2x. So that means 4x, negative 5, 0, and 11. Now, we've got subtraction, which is the first one. So we do the opposite, and we're going to add 5 to both sides. 4x, nothing, 16. This is multiplying, so we're going to do the opposite and divide. All right, let's graph it. 4, open, that way. Let's just see if there's anything else that's interesting. Not really, but let's look at one more. We've got to move these variables. So we've got some on both sides. I'm going to subtract 3x. So I get 2x, negative 12, nothing, negative 4. Add 12, 2x is less than or equal to 8. Divide by 2. X is less than or equal to 4. So we have 4 closed that way. And actually, number 6 is interesting, so let's take a look at it. DCM. We finally have some distributing. 6a, negative 3. No combining like terms. We've got to move these variables. Negative 3. 4a. Negative 11. Now we do the opposites. So opposite of subtracting is adding. And opposite of multiplying is dividing. Now remember, if your variable isn't first, you can make it first by moving everything. Notice this switched because I moved the a to the other side, so everything else has to switch. And now I have 2 closed that way. All right, so that's multi-step inequalities. Make sure you practice some of the problems so you can get better at this. See you next time.